Hey, it's Liz from No Trace. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a sweet little hanging basket to store your goodies. This little basket is a nice way to use up some of your smaller pieces of fabric. And if you're looking for other projects to use up smaller scraps of fabric, I have a link to a free sewing pattern in the description box below this video. So click on that link and snag 3 more ways to use your scrap pieces of fabric. We use little hanging baskets just like this in our entryway to keep our masks, but also it holds mittens and hats. So these are super handy to have to keep your stuff organized. It sews up super fast and you'll probably want to make a bunch for yourself and your family members or your loved ones. So let's go. To make your hanging fabric basket, you're going to want 5 pieces of fabric for the outside that all measure 7 inches by 7 inches, and then 5 pieces of fabric for the inside that also measure 7 by 7, and then 1 piece of fabric that's 10 by 4 to make the strap for your basket. In the first step, I'm going to start sewing together the panels that are going to be the outside of the basket. And what I'm going to be doing is attaching 4 pieces around one of the squares by sewing them with the right sides together. And I want to make sure to stop my seam about 1/2 inch away from the corner, from both corners, so that I can sew all the sides together into a little box shape. Now, one side is sewn. I'm going to get another piece and I'm going to stitch it onto the other side of this bottom panel, and again I'm going to stop about 1/2 inch away from the end so that I don't sew over this fabric that's on this side. I'm going to sew right up to that fabric, and on this side I'm also going to stop 1/2 inch away from the edge. Alright, so I've attached these 4 panels to the bottom panel. In the next step, I'm going to go ahead and stitch the sides together to create a box shape, and I'm going to just start where my seam ends from the bottom and go all the way up to this top edge. Okay, so I've sewn up all 5 pieces for the outside of my little hanging basket. In the next step, I'm going to repeat all of those same steps on the inner fabric of my basket, these 5 panels. All right, so my inside pieces are also sewn together, and now I am going to turn this 10 by 4 piece of fabric into the strap. All right, in order to strapify this fabric, we are going to fold it in half lengthwise, press it with the iron, just like so. Then we open it and we fold the edges towards that center fold that we just created, and then we press it again. Then we fold the whole thing in half lengthwise and press it one more time. So now it's 10 inches long and 1 inch wide. And then we can take it to the machine and just top stitch both sides of our little strap. All right, so I've got my little strap, and now we're ready to put these 3 different pieces together. So what we want to do is turn our outer layer right side out, and we're going to put it inside our inner part of our basket, and we want to make sure to line up the seams and push that bottom edge so that it's lined up with the bottom edge of the inner part of our little basket. Once it's lined up, we're going to put pins at the side seams so that our seams are lined up nicely with each other. And once we have those pins in place, we're going to fold our strap in half and put it pointing down in between 2 of the layers. Now, it doesn't really matter where you put your strap. I'm just going to kind of center it on one of these panels. I'm just going to eyeball it. It doesn't have to be perfect. And then I'm going to go ahead and pin it in place. All right, over at the machine, I'm going to start stitching this, the 2 pieces together right on the other side of the strap. And I want to make sure to reinforce that strap. So I'm going to actually sew over the strap 3 times And I'm going to be doing all of this with a 1/2 inch seam allowance. And I want to make sure that I'm only stitching these 2 layers together. I'm not accidentally sewing my little basket closed. Now, as I get close to where I started my stitches, I'm going to make sure to stop and leave an opening of a few inches so I can turn this whole thing right side out. And just do a little back stitch, and then it's done. And obviously take that pin out. All right, so I've stitched the pieces together and I got the strap in place. So now all that's left to do is to turn it right side out. All right, we're almost done with the little basket. What we want to do next, I'm going to iron this seam so that it lays nice and flat. And then I'm going to top stitch all the way around this edge, and especially making sure to close up the opening that I left so I could turn it right side out. All right, so once we've top stitched all the way around, our little basket is all done. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope it helps you get your stuff organized in a new fabric basket. Don't forget to snag the free sewing pattern below this video, so just click in the description box and follow the link. And please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the No Trace channel to get notified about all of our videos. We put out a new video every single week on zero waste sewing, crafting, and lifestyle tips. So I'll see you again very soon.